In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Clickup with Notion. Whether you want to import a whole Notion workspace into Clickup or just link the two for easy task and document management, I've got you covered. We'll dive into two main methods: importing your Notion workspace into Clickup or simply connecting your Notion account to Clickup for linked previews and integration with task views. By the end of this guide, you'll be set up to enjoy a more streamlined workflow. Let's start by exploring how to import your Notion workspace into Clickup. To do this, the first thing you'll need to do is export your content from Notion. Head over to your Notion workspace and navigate to the Settings and Members tab. In this section, you'll find the Settings menu, and within that, look for Import Export. Here, you'll see the option to export all workspace content. Click on this to begin exporting your Notion data as a file, which you'll later use in Clickup. Once you've successfully exported your Notion workspace, you can turn your attention to Clickup. Within Clickup, go to the Settings menu and find the Import Export option. Click on the Notion tile and select Import from Notion. Now it's simply a matter of uploading the file you've previously exported from Notion. Clickup will guide you through this process smoothly. If you're working with a team, you might want to map your Notion users to your Clickup users. This is optional, but it can help if you want to maintain consistent user management. You have the option to map these users, invite them to your Clickup space, or import them as inactive users if needed. When you're ready, hit Import to initiate the process, and watch as Clickup brings in your Notion workspace along with all its details. Now, let's talk about connecting your Notion account to Clickup without doing a full import. Start by accessing the App Center in Clickup. You can find this by opening the Quick Action menu and looking for App Center or Integrations. Once you're there, search for the Notion integration and select it. To initiate the connection, click on Connect, and you might see something like Connect Notion. This will lead you to a prompt where you'll need to log into your Notion account and authorize Clickup to access the necessary permissions. If you have specific pages in Notion you want to share with Clickup, you can choose them during this process. Once connected, enjoy the convenience of placing Clickup links in Notion pages, which will appear as previews. You can also type the /Clickup command in Notion to efficiently paste links. Also, don't forget that you can add the Notion app as a panel within Clickup task views, allowing you to manage linked Notion pages directly from Clickup. And there you have it, two straightforward ways to connect Clickup and Notion for a more cohesive and efficient workflow. Whether you choose to import your workspace or just connect your accounts, you'll find that these tools harmonize beautifully to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!